Meaning of feathered.
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 Feathered. Feathered is an adjective that describes an object or surface that has the appearance of feathers. This can refer to literal feathers, such as those on a bird, or to a texture or design that mimics the appearance of feathers. A feathered surface may be soft and delicate, with light and airy qualities. Alternatively, it could be sharp and pointed, inspired by the natural shape of feathers. Overall, feathered suggests a lightness and gracefulness, whether in appearance or in physical qualities.